Hi guys, and welcome back. So I'm going to be repotting the giant onions today, and after we've repotted them, there's no way that they're going to fit back in here, so I've had to go and buy a new light. So we're going to get that set up, and I'm going to set that up here and have them on the table there. So we'll get these potted on, and then I'll show you the new light and get that set up and see how they're doing. Right then guys, so I'm going to be keeping the talking to a bit of a minimal today. Don't know if you can notice, but got a bit of an abscess. So I've been meaning to do this for a while, but I've just been in too much pain. But I feel up to it today, so we're going to get it done today. I've already mixed the compost. This is 50-50 multi-purpose compost and 50% of my own compost. You see here, it's still quite a few big bits in there, but run it through the sieve and it comes out just fine. And in this we've added some chicken manure pellets, fish blood and bone, a couple handfuls of charge, some vermiculite and some perlite, and we've just given it all a good mix. And it's been sat in here for a couple of days now, so it's already at room temperature. I am going to be giving the roots a dusting of mycorrhizal fungi, if I can find it. Just put you on pause and go and find that now. So I'm going to be using some mycorrhizal fungi. This is the Q4 root maul, and I'll just give the roots a dusting of that before putting them in their pots. They are currently in 2-litre pots, and we're going to be putting them into these 5-litre pots for now, and then they can get potted into the big pots once they go into the polytunnel. Put a couple of handfuls in the bottom there, and then got pot same size but empty. Place that in the middle and just fill in around it. And this should give us a nice hole in the middle of this, the same size as the root ball and that. So we'll do this one first. I think this one's still the biggest. I haven't measured it since last time, but it's definitely grown. Don't really need the supports. Like I said, just going to give the roots a dusting of this. That's left a nice indentation, roughly the same size as this. Nice healthy looking roots on them. And a little bit in the hole as well. Just like that. Just like that. One potted up, so there's another 9 to go. So I'll work my way through them. We'll get back and set up the new light, which really look forward to showing you this one. So I'll get these done and we'll get back to you. Right, so I just pulled this one out and look what I found inside it. Nice big worm. Right then guys, so that's all of them potted on. This one is definitely by far the biggest still. So we'll get that measured up at the end of this video. But let's get on to the all important, the new light that's going up here. So get the camera set up and I'll show you that now. Right then guys, so this is the Linqool LED plant grow light. It's 3000 watt. Only uses 240 from the wall. There's all the stats and that. And a few bits on the back there. Just telling you the coverage and whatnot. So this light is 3 foot by 3 foot. It's adjustable, so you can dim it right down to turning it off on the baluster. There's some nice wires to hang it up with. I've already put 2 hooks up there ready to hang it up. Sorted out the extension lead. Got that running under here, so it's on the timer as well. Plug it in, make sure it works. And that is only on 25% there now. Uh, 50. 75, and that's on 100%. That's a bit too bright, I think. I'll keep it on around 25 to 50% for these. I'll move the camera around, get it hung up, and arrange the onions to where we want them. Right, so that is on 50% at the moment, and I think that's going to do really well there. So get the other tray in, get the onions all set up here, and that'll be about that. Right, well, I'm happy with that. That light's only on 50% now. Plenty of room there, so shouldn't get any more light burns on the tops of these. I'll give them a good water in later on, but first, as promised at the start of the video, I'll give this a measure, see how big that is. So get set up and we'll do that now. But whilst I remember, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop me a comment. Right then, guys, so this is the biggest one. It's one of the LC ones. So it's got a piece of plastic coated wire. Just going to put that round and put a little mark where it meets on the other side. Right then, guys, so hopefully you can see the numbers on there. Mark is here. So we are about 8.5 inches at the moment. So that's looking pretty good. Right then, guys, so that is it from me today. And I'd just like to say thank you very much for watching, and please, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop me a comment below and hit that like button, and I'll keep you updated on how these do under the Linqool 3000. And I think the next video is going to be setting up another light and another propagator under here, but I'll tell you all about that in the next one. So that's going to be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.